Okay, we're going to talk about skins now and how the software determines skins. Once you type in all of the scores, it will take you to this screen right here. At the start of each league, a skins sheet is put out, and if that player wants to get into skins, they will write their name down and put in the appropriate amount of money to enter into skins. Skins are voluntary. You don't have to do it. Each league has their own amount of money that they charge for skins. Most of the time it's like $2. Sometimes it's $5. Usually it's like $2 to $5. Let's say in this example it's $5. So you come in here, amount per player is $5. And we're always going to do gross, okay? So we're going to just do gross skins. Net, just keep this at 0. Choose skins type, keep that the way it is. Now, we're not going to pay any attention to net because we have 0 on there. But we are going to go through the list and see who's in skins. And I'm just going to make this up as I go. And I'm going to say in this example, most of the people are not in skins. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a shortcut. I can come down here and uncheck gross. Okay. So then I can say, okay, Jeff is in there. This guy's in. This guy's in. This guy's in. Kristen's in. Josh. Da 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 da. Boom, boom. This guy's in. That person. That person. That person. That person. So now the software will only include those people in deciding if they're into the skins or not. So once that's done, we go to the next step. We're at adjust points here. We don't want to mess with this right now. So once you get to this, go to next step. This, we do this, but we don't worry about putting it in the league software. If the league secretary wants us to keep track of that, it's easy enough. Who got the long drive tonight? Well, it was Jeff Atkins. He got the long drive. Did you have closest to the pin? Yeah, and Sal got the closest to the pin tonight. So it can keep track of that as well. So go to next step. League treasury, just go to next step. And then you're done doing the scoring for the day. If we go here and look at skins, this highlights everyone who won a skin. Okay? And it even determines the amount of money that they won. And look at this. Kristen won 3 skins. I didn't even try to do that. I was just punching numbers in. So Kristen won $45. Eric Wright, he won 2 skins. He wins $30. And that's based on it figured out who all put their $5 in, added the pot together, and divided it for you. So now Kristen will get $45 put into an envelope for her. You put that in the safe. $30 for Eric Wright. That is put into the safe. And next week, when we set up for the league, we put their envelopes out for them to grab. And it's as easy as that. We can look at the scores that were put in. These are the scores that we typed in here. And that's how you wrap up the league scoring for the week.